Hi guys, my name's Sasha, and to keep with our theme that we've been doing lately, I want to show you some more earrings that are made just with wire. So for this project you'll need the pliers and some wire. To start, I want to make some spirals around this pin. Oh, I got quite a lot of wire here. I want to make 5 loops. There we go. It looks like that. There's 5 loops on there, and you just want to twist here. Just one twist. Now that it's off the pin, it'll look like this. And you just want to bring one of these in the twist through this loop, through all the loops. And it'll look like that. You want to get some pliers and just pull it tight and push it down. Pull it like that. And you want to cut off the excess there. And we can cut this one off. That. Okay, look like that. You can just pull this tight a bit. Okay, turn it over and just open them out. You can push these down a bit, push this one up a bit, push this one down a bit, push this one up a bit, and just adjust until it looks like a flower. There we go. Now to make the little pointy bits, you want to get some pliers and just do that. Turn this side and turn that side. Turn this side. And you just want to continue doing that on all of them. Like that. There we go. Now to make the little earring thing, I'm going to get some round pliers and start there and make a loop. And it'll look like that. And then close the loop. You want to hold it on the stem bit here, push it back and round. So it makes the little bit that goes in your ear. It goes like that. And you can cut off this excess bit here. It looks a little bit not round, that's okay. This little end bit is sharp, so you need to get some sandpaper and just rub it on sandpaper so that it makes it not so sharp. Now to open this little loopy, you want to pick the nicest petal and put it that way up, and there we go, little earrings. Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe to see more videos like this.